You're on the deepest mountain?
Ow!
Are you having fun? Did you build a snowman with Mom? Come here. Don't go too far out there. I love you. What are you doing? Look at Mommy.
I'm gonna make how do you look?
It looks beautiful.
I'm gonna make
What snowman? The one you put in the water to see if it would get ruined? It turned into a big ball, didn't it? Oh, hey! You stinker! You threw a snowball at me. Oh, you're dangerous. You put your snowballs in the water. That's dangerous. We'll see what happens. No, don't play in the water. Yucky. Look at Mom. Here's your snowball. There's Darkstar. She wants to know what's going on. You gonna throw a snowball at Darkstar?
Yeah.
She's gonna run. She's gonna run. Get her. Get her. Get her. Get her. Get her. Get her! Oh! Okay, Mommy has to clean that up now. Say hi!
Hi, Papa.